Morning everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here from Mr. Topstep with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Well, making new highs. Two pieces of news this morning. Greece has agreed to some kind of austerity plan, and the jobless claims came in less than expected. So we had a pop, a pullback, and another pop. Globex high is 1352.75, so getting right up into that 1353, 1354 area. The 45-day pivot is stretched, but it's not officially stretched. We're not over 60. We're just under 55 handles from peak price. So what are we looking for today? You know, the market is stretched. The market is overbought, but the market doesn't care. So there's ways to play it from the short side. I've been doing it myself and just kind of pulling legs off of a longer term trade. And, you know, I'll put a leg on these little, you know, sugar high pops that we get, and you take it back off, and your dollar cost average gets higher and higher as you go. It takes a lot of patience, and you've got to do it really small, or you'll get caught in a situation that you can't control. So, you know, if you're not comfortable doing that, then I would suggest you stay with the trend, you play the long side, and when the market is ready to pull back, then it'll pull back. And you know, when that moment in time comes, it's going to be pretty obvious, and it will give everybody plenty of time to get in. It will be a real move down. You know, if the market makes a 5 or a 10% correction, if you miss the first 1% in the big scheme of things, that's really not a big deal. So everybody always wants to top tick the market. Everybody wants to hit a hole-in-one in golf, but not everybody does. I know I haven't. So you got to kind of think of it in those time frames. Concentrate on getting 80% of a move versus 99% of a move, okay? And you'll last a lot longer trading like that. So let's do support and resistance. Current trade, 1349.25. On the upside, 1353, 1358, 1364, 1373, 1378, 1383. On the downside, 1344 half, 1342, 1337, 1333, 1331, 1326, and 1323. So everybody have a great day. Use stops, please. Be hedged. Be careful out here, because it could end today or it could end in 2 weeks. Just be careful. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader from Mr. Topstep. I'll see everybody tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trading well.